Mayor, you just completed your 4th State of the City. How do you feel? How was the crowd? How were the reactions?
I think it was very well received. We tried to focus this year on how we have achieved the successes. The successes have been achieved through community involvement and real partnership with the community that we serve.
Now, Mayor, I heard you say investment in development projects is at an all-time high. Crime is down. You saved the hospital. How did you do it all?
I didn't do it all by myself. I had the good sense to partner with the community. This is why tonight's speech was a celebration of the entire Mount Vernon community, the Mount Vernon family. We reached out to the community, they responded, they believed in my vision, and they came on board.
Excellent. Mayor, thank you so much. We look forward to 4 more years.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. You heard it first right here at Mount Vernon today. Mayor Clinton I. Young right after his 4th State of the City.